Hello, everybody. Thank you very much for the invitation. I'm happy to be here and to be part of the breakout session on hydrogen. And I'm trying to give you a short input on the status and the plans in Germany. Just a few words on the NOW. The NOW is a state-owned company founded in 2008, and we are supporting several federal ministries in the field of hydrogen, battery and fuel cell electric mobility, alternative fuels, and alternative fuels production. The focus of today is the National Hydrogen Strategy, which was released in June by the federal government. With this strategy, the federal government emphasizes the central role of hydrogen to decarbonize the energy system until the year 2050. And it also emphasizes the need to integrate hydrogen in all kinds of sectors, not only transportation, but also industry and heat. It defines 38 concrete measures across the complete value chain and provides a budget in the next 4 to 5 years of €7 billion nationally and €2 billion internationally. If we take a closer look to the 38 measures of the strategy, we see that the whole value chain is represented, as I said before. Beginning with the hydrogen production, with a focus on green hydrogen and ambitious goal of 5 gigawatt capacity in 2030 and additional 5 gigawatt capacity in 2035. The hydrogen use with measures in the field of mobility, which is existing right now, and the industry and heat, which are more applications of the future, but with high demands of hydrogen. Especially to those two sectors, we have to think about infrastructure and supply, which also means thinking about import of hydrogen in the future. The field of research is important to mention, and also the field of international cooperation on European and worldwide level. To give you just a short impression of a project ongoing in the context of the strategy, I want to show you the Highland Initiative by the Ministry of Transport. We started the initiative last year, and we addressed different kinds of regions in Germany. The idea was to think about an integrated concept of hydrogen, which means to think production, transport, and use of hydrogen together in one region. And this idea of the regional production and use of hydrogen was extraordinarily interesting for the region. So the response was impressive, and we will have a second round next year. Having said this, I'm in the end of my presentation. I hope I could give you some impression, and I'm looking forward for the discussion, and thank you very much for the attention.